We have the authority to save lives. Every morning at breakfast, we make a choice. I am going to eat a dead animal, or I'm not going to eat a dead animal. Come lunchtime, there's another choice. It's subconscious, but there's an action going on. I will pay people to kill animals for me to eat, or I will not pay people money to kill animals for me to eat. So every time we eat something, we are making a conscious or unconscious decision. And this is an amazing authority that we have. You've been practicing it for close to 10 years. Myself, it's close to 20 years. Some of our friends have been 30, 40 years consciously making a decision. So when we talk about the conscious community, let's get conscious about what we're eating. Let's get conscious whether we are or we are not killing or paying people to kill or supporting places that do the killing. So if you walk into such and such a restaurant and you pay them money, you are supporting either the growing of vegetables or the killing of animals. And this is such a powerful, I'll call it a spiritual authority that we have to change the energy of our society, of our planet. And of course, of the energy within our own hearts.
Right. And it comes down to, decision and choice, see how we grow after we make these choices. So very powerful, powerful quote.
This comes in back to meditation too, Nick, because as meditators, we become aware of those choices. Then you read the book and you think, wow, I deny that. Put it in your journal. I deny the fact that I support the killing of animals. And I had this conversation with the student the other day. I mentioned this as gently as I could. I put it sort of like, dear student, you are supporting the killing of animals. And she says, I don't support that. Well, you're paying for it. And this was by telephone, but I could see her saying, I don't support it. I don't support it. Bring your mindfulness, your conscious awareness to the realization, I do support it. Because yesterday, I went out to dinner and I paid money at a restaurant and I had what they called fried sea bass, which is a dead animal, and I paid for it. So I'm paying not only the restaurant owner, but the fishing, the trawlers that scoop up tons of fish every second, not just the one that person ate, but so much bycatch that was not edible by human standards. So it's, thrown away. So it's mass murder. God, it hurts to bring your awareness to the fact that I'm contributing to the mass murder of weaker species. What kind of a spiritual path is that? It makes me just feel ill inside to think about it. It's painful to even talk about it, but it is the truth. Mm-hmm. And as you said with the children deserve to know the truth. And those of us on the path, the spiritual path, you need to look at the truth of things. No more excuses.